Do I consider myself kuripot? Kasi tinanong sa akin, if ever kuripot ba daw ako. So, for me, I think I believe na in the middle ako. Kuripot in a sense na I am kuripot only on the things that for me, hindi ko siya vinavalue that much. For example, like kuripot ako in buying clothes because I don't believe in buying expensive clothes and I don't want to spend my money in buying expensive clothes. Hindi naman ako kuripot when I spend time with my family, when we want to go out, and then we buy certain things. 'Di ba? That's hindi ako kuripot doon. Kuripot ako when I go out to eat in expensive restaurants because I would not pay to go eat in an expensive restaurant like mga steakhouse, mga Michelin. Pag libre, pupunta ako kasi libre. Pero pag hindi ako magbabayad, hindi ako kakain doon. Kasi mas masaya pa ako kumain ng unlimited samgyup for like 399 pesos because rather than eating a big steak because I don't like steak. I don't value it. So, it's not something important for me. For example, I like to travel. I love to travel. So, doon ako nagta-travel, di ba? Magta-travel ako, binabalanse ko. Sometimes I stay in good hotels, but sometimes I stay in budget hotels. Kasi hindi mo pwede lahat, lagi na lang spend tayo, splurge tayo sa lahat ng mahal na hotels. Because that's not how you remain wealthy, guys, di ba? You also have to budget, di ba? So, for me, balanse lang siya. I would spend on things that I love, makes me happy, but also I save on things that doesn't, di ba? Kung hindi naman nag-value sa akin yan, then I won't spend that money there. Kuripot, 50%, 50-50. I don't wanna say na sobrang kuripot naman ako because I will not enjoy life that way. But 50% where I want to spend, basta budgeted siya, meron ako money dyan na nakalaan perfectly for my loves, dun. But I don't want to spend on, it would be things that doesn't really bring too much value for me, then hindi ako mag-spend ng maraming pera doon. I would save that money because for me, hindi pwede in life, hindi pwede lahat lang gusto mo. Unless sobrang dami mong pera na hindi mo na iniisip kung magkano pera mo ginagastos mo, go. Pero kung hindi, guys, it's still okay to be kuripot. But kuripot wisely. Alam mo yon, balansehin natin siya. Hindi pwedeng lahat na kinuripot mo na sarili mo, walang-wala ka na binigay sa inyo. Don't forget, self-love is never selfish, so you have to love yourself. And loving yourself means that sometimes you also splurge a little on yourself. You have to pay yourself first. It's very important to pay yourself first. Yun lang talaga siya. Kaya nga sabi nyo, bakit pambahay nyo napakaluma, wala ng color? Nasa bahay ako, guys. So that's why pambahay ko ganito lang yan. E tas daming text nag-message kung kailangan ko shoot ng video, di ba? Ganun talaga.